social deviation. One of them is hedonism. The term hedonism is derived from the Greek hedon, meaning simply pleasure. Based on the Greek dictionary, hedonism is behaving and living in ways that mean you get as much pleasure as possible, according to the belief that the most important thing in life is enjoying yourself. While a hedonist is a person who thinks that the pursuit of pleasure is the most important thing in life as a pleasure seeker. Most of the hedonist is a teenager who is still a student. The hedonism lifestyle is recently known to be the trend among students. Based on the Harvard.com research, people do this due to environmental factors that make a teenager likely to follow other people's habits. The fact and in real life, reported by am.merdeka.com, the 22nd of October 2013 Jakarta, there are 4 students who stole reflexively just for meeting their lifestyle needs. And now, vocational report is according to Ayunda Aisha, a spokeswoman who stand by in the location for observing the situation. So, how's the condition, Yunda?
Okay, thank you very much, Nabila. Now, I'm here at Senior High School 1 Pontianak. As we know, hedonism is a lifestyle that is based on the pleasure of the hedonism is consciously by the hedonist. A hedonist characterized by selfish attitudes. They don't care about the happiness and interests of others. They also have consumptive attitudes. They prioritize to buy something because of their pleasure than their needs. This activity can be done by everyone. People who are in the lower circles will borrow money to buy some luxury goods. The target place of this activity is mall, cafe, or other places. The amount of money that they spend to this activity is varied. Based on our observation that we had among teenagers senior high school 1, especially 12 Science 7, the money that they spent to one shop is 400,000 rupees. When this hedonism continues, it will adversely affect the social life of students, such as increased crime, emerging discrimination, individualism, and materialistic. Now, I found one of the students of 12 Science 7 that looks and appearance like a hedonist. So, let's interview him. Excuse me.
Oh, yes,
May I
sir.
have your time, please? Okay. May I know your name, please?
My name is Sadam Reva Marifi.
Okay. I need an information about your opinion for hedonism case on teenagers. Based on your opinion, what do you think about that?
For the first, maybe I'm the hedonist. Can you imagine that I love to buy something new every day? Before you judge me harshly, I know hedonism has a bad reputation at the society. In the broad terms, a hedonist is someone who tries to maximize happiness and minimize a painful. So that that's hedonism goals. They just want to be happy. So I do because that it's a good for hedonism. Based of the theory I've read, hedonism can reduce stress because when we feel pleasure due to the shopping, our sympathetic nervous system gives us stress-terminating response, which we experience as a relaxation or stress relief. And because that's my money, so that's my decision to do it.
Okay, thank you very much, Sadam, for your participation.
Sure.
So, I would like to interview another student that maybe has different opinion about hedonism. Excuse me.
Yes.
I would like to interview you about something that I should know.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So, what is your opinion about hedonism, and do you agree or not?
My opinion. So, I don't agree with hedonism case because it just make us spend our money for anything that we don't really need. Based on a journal that I've read, there is a positive correlation between hedonism and consumptive nature. If someone has high level of hedonism, then the level of consumptive nature will be high too. And as a student that are still young, we still got money from our parents, and we should realize how hard our parents do their job for our living and our needs. The parents also can help their children to avoid hedonism. Example, they can tell their children to use their money wisely and tell their experience, their job to get money for their children needs and their children living. And also they can just give the money for their children that's just enough for their needs. So the children will use their money wisely, not for like partying, hedonism, wasting money like that, I guess.
Okay, thank you for your participation.
Oh, you're welcome.
So that's all the information that I got from the interviews. Hedonism is a lifestyle that is based on their pleasure. If we spend our money once in a while, that case can be tolerated. But if we spend our money often, it can impact the social life of the hedonist. Ayunda Isha from the Senior High School number 1, Pontianak. I return it to Nabila.
Okay, thank you Ayunda Aisha for your report. I'm Nabila Putri and all the crews. Thank you, and it's breaking news.
Chong 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 kopi pancong tak berdua